Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Atlantis Machine in Fish It new update. In this latest Fish It update, there's a new feature that called the Atlantis Machine that located in underwater city like this. This machine is located on here, this one. And this machine can give random buff that helps increase your chances while fishing. And to use it, just simply tap on the sacrifice fish like this. Just tap on it and then you need to sacrifice fish or submit the fish requested by the machine like this. You can just tap on donate or just tap on donate all. Just keep donating until the bar at the above is completely full. And then in here I will just tap on donate all like this. And then tap on yes. And then once the bar is full, the machine will activate and give a random boost like this. In here I got the mutation search. And here's the cool part, the boost affects all players in the same server who are in underwater city, so it's not just you. So that's how you can use the Atlantic Machine in Fish It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.